Let's get you the top story of the day, because all eyes now will shift back to Varanasi, because this is a legal fight for Aastha that is all set to resume from today, with the Varanasi District judge that will be taking up the pleas of both the Hindu and the Muslim sides. Now, the main contention from the Muslim side is the maintainability of the suit filed by the Hindu side, seeking a survey and the daily prayers.
So the Hindu side will be fighting to demolish the basement wall that has been found under what they believe is the shivling, and the extension of the mosque survey, plus clearing of the debris, because they believe that there could be more temple remnants there. This comes after the Supreme Court refused to intervene in the matter. Last week, the top court had ordered the transfer of the Gyanvapi mosque case from the civil judge to the district judge in Varanasi.
देखिए, मैं बाबा के लिए पिटीशन मांग रहा हूँ, किसी भक्त के लिए बाद में, कि बाबा चूंकि हमारे 92 के पहले जो नंदी के दरवाजे के सामने जो दरवाजा था उसको जो सील कर दिया उसको खोल दिया जाए। हम भूतल के अंदर जो शिवलिंग है उसके पूजन आदि, चूंकि उनको राग भोग सेवा बहुत दिन से लग नहीं रही, क्योंकि उनको लगना नहीं था। हमारे सनातन धर्म में, हमारे हिंदू धर्म शास्त्र में, हमारे वेदों में, हमारे पुराणों में सब जगह वर्णित है कि बाबा की सेवा पूजा होना चाहिए। तो मेरे पूर्वजों के द्वारा स्थापित शिवलिंग है, सब कुछ है। उस परिसर के अंदर जितने भी शिवलिंग है वो सब हमारे पूर्वजों का है। तत्काल जो है इसका दे दीजिए, और मैं कोई ऐसा कार्य नहीं करूँगा जिससे कि देश का, समाज का माहौल थोड़ा भी गड़बड़ हो।
जो भी कमिश्नर रिपोर्ट लीक हुई है, जिसके द्वारा लीक की गई है, हम लोगों ने ये तय किया है कि पूरे प्रकरण पर जो कमिश्नर रिपोर्ट लीक हुई है, वीडियोग्राफ जो टेलीकास्ट किए गए हैं, जो अंदर की फोटोज लीक हुई हैं, इस पर जितने लोग भी इसमें जिम्मेदार होंगे, सब लोगों के खिलाफ कार्रवाई करने की मैं मांग करूंगा।
Shivani is joining us live from Varanasi. Shivani, tell us the security arrangements that have been put in place, because now as the matter shifts back to Varanasi, there is a lot of thought behind what exactly happened, what is expected today as well. So what is the security arrangement that has been put in place, the mood on ground?
Well, yes, sir, we are standing right outside this particular gate, which has been completely barricaded, and this was the main gate from where the mosque entry used to take place. And as you can see, the entire barricading has taken place, the security has been beefed up, and in fact, we can clearly see not only this particular gate, but we'll also go across to gate number 4 also to show you that how the security has been increased even there, and people are not really directly allowed to move inside. In fact, you see the security has been increased here, barricading has taken place. Earlier this was not the picture, but now since this controversy has begun, this is the image which you are seeing here. And in fact, you see at the main entrance also all the checking up are taking place. But of course, since here we are, we'll try and speak to a few people also to get the ground mood, as we have shown you the security here and how it has been increased simultaneously. But of course, बातचीत करेंगे। आप खुद भी यहाँ पर धर्मगुरु का काम कर रहे हैं, ये बताइए कि अब मंदिर मस्जिद की इतनी बातें हो रही हैं, क्या आज कोर्ट के अंदर वाराणसी में सुनवाई है? वाराणसी कोर्ट से क्या उम्मीद करते हैं?
सुनवाई हो जाएगा। ये आज परंपरा है पूर्वजों का। ये जो अंग्रेज के जमाना था तब से हम लोग के मंदिर पहले विश्वनाथ, असली विश्वनाथ कहा जाता है, जो करके आता था शास्त्र के अनुसार इसी में था। और वो लोग अंग्रेज के जमाने में बनाकर अपना मस्जिद वो लोग जबरी कर रहे हैं।
So, okay, these are the claims from Mahant over here. Will straight across goes to people. आप लोग भी सुन रहे होंगे काफी कुछ न्यूज में मस्जिद को लेकर चल रहा है। आज पक्ष की सुनवाई भी होनी है वाराणसी कोर्ट में, क्या होनी है?
जो होगा सब बाबा विश्वनाथ की कृपा से होगा, अच्छा होगा। हर हर महादेव।
हर हर महादेव। यहाँ पे हर हर महादेव के नारे जो हैं वो काफी ज्यादा सुनने को मिल रहे हैं। So as we just heard, people are also like most of them, since it is a religious place for Hindu primarily, this entire place, 80 ghats are there in Banaras right now. We are surrounded by that, and Kashi Vishwanath is the place where everyone mostly is expecting, especially all the Hindus here are expecting the order to come in their favor. But because this is the very first day, we cannot really expect a big order or observation to come. But yes, of course, it is by the direction of Supreme Court. This will be the first time where the district judge will be hearing the matter post the civil court. And of course the observation will be taking place on what all the grounds even Supreme Court has mentioned. Earlier also they had observed and said that a senior person probably could add up a more value to this particular hearing. And in fact after that also we can totally understand that today the primary reports will be seen, the survey reports will be seen, and post 10 a.m. what we are understanding is that the lawyers will be arriving at the at the district court, and at 11 o'clock all the petitioners are going to come over there. They have said that they are going to file out their applications before the court to permit them to go inside and conduct their puja and prayers. But of course outside the temple also, let me show you how the scenario is out here. Everyone over here is coming in a temple, and in fact primarily when we try to speak to people or whatever we listen is all about the temple controversy, about the mosque controversy, and what is going to happen inside today, what is going to happen in the court today, and that is how it is the entire image is. So of course it seems there are people, those who come from outside also, and from different parts of the state. आप लोग कहाँ से आए हुए हैं? हम लोग आसाम गुवाहाटी से आए हैं। इतना सुन रहे हैं अभी काशी में मंदिर के बारे में, ज्ञानवापी के बारे में, आज कोर्ट से ऑर्डर आने वाला है, उस पर सुनवाई होगी, क्या लग रहा है?
जो होए न्याय से होए, ये अच्छा है।
अच्छा, जो
होना चाहिए, जो न्याय का हिसाब से होना चाहिए वही होना ठीक रहेगा।
क्या लगता है किसके पक्ष में फैसला आएगा?
हम लोग के पक्ष में फैसला होए, ये हमारा हिंदू का अस्तित्व है, ये हमारा बाबा है और हम लोगों का होना चाहिए। हर हर महादेव।
एक साथ ही बोल लीजिए अब। Yeah, that's the Josh, and also we can see the energy. Of course, Hindus want the order, verdicts, the observations to come on their side. But definitely, it will be very interesting fight today in the Varanasi District Court to hear what all observations they make on this particular survey report, and if in case any new petitions will be filed, any new pleas will be filed because. Before any new plea gets filed, of course the court is going to make their observation and hearing on the cases. Those are already existing. The 5 women, the petitioners, those had filed this petition, they're going to be there, and in fact they have said that after the hearing also takes place, they are going to raise even more requests to the court to grant them permission, as already Muslims are allowed to go inside the mosque, though their main entrance has been closed, but of course they are getting a common entry to the Kashi Vishwanath gate, which is right behind us, and this is the common gate from where all the Hindus can go. In fact the Muslims can go inside, but of course just like the Friday situation got a little out of hand for the cops over here because of the
additional security that has already been deployed there, today being a Monday as well. So we are looking at devotees that are thronging at the Kashi Vishwanath Mandir. But the matter today, as Shivani is pointing out, will be taken up at 11 a.m. with the district court judge that will be hearing those petitions and pleas. For the moment, Shivani, thanks very much for joining in.